Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix LG subwoofer cutting out randomly, interference and pairing. Fix 1. Perform a hard power reset. You just have to turn off the soundbar using the remote control. Unplug the power cord of the both soundbar and the subwoofer from the wall outlet. Leave them completely unplugged for 5 minutes. Then plug the subwoofer back into the wall outlet. Plug the soundbar back into the wall outlet again. Then turn the soundbar on the test to audio. Fix 2. Clear the existing wireless link. Turn off the soundbar. Locate a small pairing or reset button on the back of the subwoofer. Then use a paper clip or a pen tip to press and hold the button for 10 seconds. Release the button when the LED indicator lights start blinking rapidly, green or red, green depending on your model. Fix 3. Update firmware. Download the LG Soundbar app on your smartphone. Connect your soundbar using the app. Navigate to software, update in a app and ensure your soundbar is on the latest software version. Fix 4. Fix local Wi-Fi interference. Move your Wi-Fi router 3 to 5 feet away from the soundbar and subwoofer. Log into your home router's admin settings panel via phone or computer. Locate the 5GH wireless network setting. Change the wireless channel from auto to fixed channel. Select the channel 3648 or 48. Then avoid overlap with LG wireless subwoofer frequency. Thanks for watching.